Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga and I hope that you haven't forgotten me yet because it's been a while. Yes, I know that every single blogger, vlogger, YouTuber has already said to you that this is something new. This is 2020 and I can't believe that it's kind of like happening right now. In 2000, I was, I don't know, like 5. Yeah, I was 5 years old and right away, right now I'm 25. I'm sitting beside the camera. I am unemployed still. That's not the point. I'm gonna share with you guys this Candice look and I hope you really like it. So I have a real quick info. I'm gonna upload my videos since now on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get started. At first, I want to make sure that I'm gonna do the same makeup look as she wears, and I mean Candice. So it's really pretty and simple at the same time. So I want to focus basically on her lips and on my lips. And for this purpose, I think this is so cool and amazing that this year is gonna start with bright colors and matte colors as well. Today I'm gonna start out with the E.L.F. poreless primer. I've never tried any E.L.F. cosmetics before. This is basically my dad's present to me. I picked the product and he paid for this. Gosh. I heard so many different reviews like it was sticky product, so it's much easier to apply any sort of like foundation. Today I'm using Beach liquid foundation. So you've probably noticed that Candice has really fair skin tone, and that's why we're not gonna mix this foundation with any beige one. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender from NYX and buff it out. Tomorrow I have a doctor appointment for tomorrow or Wednesday, I'm not so sure, and I am super terrified because I do have again some stomach issues, stomach problems, and I have to kind of like figure it out because I'm a food geek and food addicted. But right now the only thing that I can eat is porridge, soup, and something without any flavor, and this is a torture to my mind. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with me and we're gonna erase it with some diet and pills. A little bit of a concealer because I want to make sure that underneath my eyes I still have something really decent. And again with the beauty blender, buff that out. Great. And I guess with my translucent powder from Makeup Revolution, we're gonna finish up the look. I mean, my routine. I can tell that I'm super excited about my primer. Right now, I look like a ghost. Definitely. And then, as you can see in her photo, you definitely want to add some kind of like a rosy shade on the cheeks. And this is so pretty. So to make sure that you have a really cool and nicely blended look, so we're gonna start with kind of like a place where you usually would kind of like apply your highlighter and then start kind of like bring this color just a little bit with the slightest touch. I'm starving. I do really need a chocolate bar or anything like this, but I feel like if I eat a piece of chocolate, I'm gonna die, literally. So I just barely touched my skin with this really interesting contouring from Wet n Wild. My next step is really simple. I will use my Wet n Wild color icon. Sure, I couldn't find it. And it looks like she kind of like used this to contour her face. I'm not sure that she did her face like makeup. So the trick is to blend this blush into your contouring. Make sure that we clean the edge because she's got really clean one. So I'll take 5 to complete my brows and I'll be right back. I do know that my brows are not pretty much the same, but I tried my best, literally tried. So at first I want to make sure that my lids are fully ready. As you can see on the photo, she's got a line, but a really faded one. So my BH liquid eyeliner is not gonna be the best option here. We're gonna need a little bit kind of like a faded look. That's why I'll be using Intense Ink eyeliner from E.L.F. Cosmetics. Well, believe me or not, I'm not a huge fan of this eyeliner because it's a little bit harder to do any line. Let's do pretty much the same routine on my right eye. It's kind of like if you don't have any product. What is this? I don't know. Again, no product. What the? What the? See, and this is kind of like the 3rd time I'm using this pencil, so it's better if I use my BH liquid eyeliner. Look at this, they're completely different to my mind. This one is thicker, this one is thinner. What the? Where is the product? What? I mean, no, I can't do this anymore. And here I am with awful brows and this lines we're recreating. Okay, I found out she has just a little bit of mascara, almost half, no mascara, and that's why we're gonna apply some just on the upper lashes. And here we're not gonna apply any mascara, it's gonna be some sort of like natural one. To do my lips, so today I'm using Sephora Lip Stories Tulips matte lipstick, color hot pink, and I'm gonna tell you what's the color. I know that it's made in Italy, but matte Lip Stories Tulips 14. I don't know what the color. And just a little bit of a highlighter, so to make sure that we're gonna finish up the look and make it glowy. But definitely, if you're asking me, I'm rooting for Wet n Wild foundation. So if you have one with a fair color or your color, then just go for it and use this foundation, because I'm a huge fan of Wet n Wild, and I guess they're pretty much affordable, and at the same time they have amazing products to share with people. So we're gonna find out more. Again, the smell. I hate the smell every single time I use one. Candice is parting her hair in the middle, but I know that it's horrible on me. That's why I'm gonna leave it this way. And I do really like how it came out with my right eye, and with my left eye, it's let's just forget about it. Let's just focus on these lips. Okay guys, I guess this concludes the video that is the first video of the year, and I hope you really enjoy this. This is one of the simplest makeup looks that I've ever done on my channel, but I hope you really like it and you try to recreate this by yourself and probably substitute the lips with something else. But I guess I'm rooting for those lips, and that is the reason why I actually picked this look, because it's so pretty. I'm a huge fan of Candice, and I really hope that you are the same probably. And I guess I'm gonna see you in my next video that's gonna be uploaded this Wednesday, so see you next time. Bye bye.